Okay, we're gonna check out this little alley right here called Pátio de Sairro. I tried to find out what it was. It looks like it says it's a sparrow. So the Chinese translation is sparrow. I couldn't find the Portuguese translation, but that's gonna be our target street right there. So we're gonna walk down it in a second. I'm getting pretty wet. And we're on Palmeira Street. So I'll give you a little history about Palmeira. So this is used to be part of Patani village, and this used to be along the ocean until they reclaimed the land. So we're gonna kind of show a little bit around this as well, but we're gonna start at our target street, which is Sairro. If you know what the Portuguese translation is, let me know. Pretty curious to know. And I'm getting kind of wet, and it's kind of raining, so I'm gonna get started. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Pátio de Sairro. The name sounds so cool. So if you're Portuguese and you know what that means, let me know. In Chinese, it looks like it means sparrow, like a small little bird. And you know, I'm kind of Sairro. I don't know, maybe that's like, because this Patani used to be the Chinese village. So back when Macau was Portuguese, this was a Chinese village outside of the city gate. So, you know, Sairro could have been like a transliteration of the Chinese word. I don't know how to say the Chinese word, but anyways, we're in this little alley. Let me kind of explain where we are a little bit as well. So right over there is the house of the night watchman. Just down that area is a little tiny bit. Our alley's kind of small. Look at all those green uniforms. So we're in Patani, and Palmeira. This is a little street off of Palmeira, so I'm gonna guess it probably had more of a Chinese connection, and then they probably built more apartments as it continued to develop. Ran into a motorcycle mirror. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is gonna try to get out of the rain. It's kind of interesting because my last two videos I did some other streets in this area as well. So one of them was the actually the last three videos, they were the house of the night watchman. So I might try to connect that with this one. But basically there's a house back there, and I did the whole museum. It's the only one standing, and it showed how in this area that was the original place that the night watchman would be based out of, and they would basically walk around at nighttime. Oh yeah, I was gonna get some food here. Want to get some food right at that place. Show you. Oh, man, so much cool stuff to do in Macau. So much cool places. Be amazing to speak Cantonese and just go up to everybody, ask some questions. But yeah, anyways, this looks like it's all a traditional way as well. So so back at the night watchman, they would go around the neighborhood, and there's fires or emergencies, they would they would do the gong. This is all reclaimed land, so down that way it goes all the way to the waterfront, and you can see the buildings get noticeably taller over on that side. And then over this one could have been on the water a long time ago. You know, I'm not really sure. This would have been the long street that would parallel to the water right here, Palmeira. And then Concha Park is right up that way. There's just too much cool stuff everywhere. So much cool stuff. Concha. Why not just do two? I think this is going to be a small one anyways. But yeah, this one would have been here a long time ago. So this would have been you know, going up into the Concha. Okay, so We gotta get some food. So I'm gonna bring the camera over there. I'll show you what I'm gonna get. Oh, it looks so good what I'm gonna get too. Yeah, this reclaimed land project was over there. And so this Patane, the coastline, would have been kind of where we're at. And then over there, a guy called Demetrio Pinetti, Italian name. He did all the information to encourage the government to expand the water because of the silt, so they could properly dock here. So so now we're kind of inland a little bit, but this is such a cool neighborhood, and I want to get that really, really badly. That looks so good. So I am going to get that. And we're going to end it. So that's that was our little target street. Lots of rain. Yeah, I like this area. Patane. Very, very cool. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.